So if you're looking for some tips on how to remain shrouded from a single shadow bomb for 10 seconds, here's my thoughts. First of all, find a shadow bomb. I'm in Team Rumble, the best place to do this challenge, and I go to Rocky Reels. Okay, in this case, so did the other squad, but no worries. I've got my shadow bomb, that's the first point. Then, if you're able to find a tornado, head to the tornado. Some of you may find when completing this challenge, it's actually quite tricky because you throw your shadow bomb, you go shrouded, but you don't seem to be able to do it for 10 seconds. It's more like 5. What you need to do is stay in the air. So shadow bombing now, I just jump up into the tornado, and it's easy to stay shrouded for 10 seconds. There we have it. Challenge complete. Okay, looks like I can stay up here for maybe 20 or 30 seconds. Shame I'm not getting any additional credits. So there we are. If this was useful for you, great. I hope you have fun completing the other challenges. Bye for now.